There are many areas in your full scope account where the system will automatically send either you or your customers notifications based on things that have happened within the account. One such area is in the invoicing tool. The invoicing tool can not only send invoices to your customers, but it can also send you and your customers updates via email or SMS in the case that the payment has been made or a payment has failed, or a few other situations as well. In order to find these notifications, toggle them on or off, or even edit the email templates that are being used to send these notifications out to you or your clients, you can go to the invoicing area and head to this gear icon right next to the new button. When you click here, you'll see on the left we have a menu with all the invoicing options, and at the bottom we have notifications. Here we can see which notifications the system will send. We can toggle them on or off, for example, on the right here. And then we can also come in and change both the email and the subject line of the email that is being sent to our customers. So for example, if we want to edit this invoice received email that's being sent to our customers, we can click preview here, and we can come in and edit all of this text, change the logo, add any contact information we want, etc., etc. Change the colors. You can come here and completely personalize these emails for you and your business. And any changes you make in here, let's just say, I don't know, I'll make the logo a little bigger, can be saved then, and these saved changes will be updated for all future emails that are going out when an invoice is being sent to the client. And as you can see, there are many different places where the invoicing tool can send notifications, again, either to the customer or also to you. So you can come in here and turn them on and off as you please, and of course tweak all of the email templates associated with that as well. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to our team, and we'll see you in the next video.